Does this happen to you? You style your hair, look in the mirror, and think, yeah, I look perfect today. But then, 1 or 2 hours later, you look in the mirror again, and your hair is completely flat? Man, I understand how frustrating that is. At that moment, only one thought comes to mind. Maybe my hair is just like this. It's just my genetics. I used to feel the same way. Look, your hair might be naturally flat, but you're also unknowingly making it flatter. Every small bad habit, every wrong wash routine, and every heavy product that promises volume is slowly making your hair thinner and more lifeless. If you don't fix it now, the flat look that seems temporary will become permanent. But don't worry, I've got you. There are only 5 simple fixes, and if you follow them correctly, this flat look can literally be reversed and proper volume will start appearing in your hair. Fix 1. Avoid overwashing. I used to shampoo my hair a lot, basically every time I showered. I thought shampooing made hair clean, and that's true, it does. But here's something no one tells you openly. The cleaner the hair, the flatter it looks. This is the reason why no matter how many good products you use, your hair still looks flat. Every time you shampoo, you aren't just removing dirt. You're also stripping away the natural oils that give hair its shape. These oils provide grip and texture, which create the final volume. When these oils are gone, hair strand becomes slippery, the scalp gets disturbed, and it starts producing even more oil to fix the dryness. This is why your hair gets greasy quickly, feels heavy, and looks flat again. To fix this, wash your hair only 2 to 3 times a week and use a mild, sulfate-free shampoo. Give your natural oils a few days to rebalance. Fix 2. Avoid hard towels and hot dryers. Right after stepping out of the shower, you rub your hair vigorously with a towel, right? Or you use a hot dryer like you're in a race to get somewhere. This sounds normal, but it's actually destroying your volume. Why? Because hair is at its weakest when it's wet. Hard rubbing and intense heat blasts destroy the hair roots. Instead, treat your hair like silk. Use a soft cloth or a microfiber towel and just press it. Don't rub. Then, either let your hair air dry naturally or dry it in gentle sunlight. The slower the hair dries, the better it sets, because hair fixes into the shape it dries in. Fix 3. Add protein and vitamin A to your diet. Weak hair can't be fixed by fancy bottles. If your diet isn't right, your hair will stay flat. Fine hair means weak hair follicles. Keratin, which hair is made of, is a protein. And here's an important twist. Vitamin A decides how much natural oil your scalp produces, and that oil gives the hair lift, grip, and shine. Eat real food rich in protein and vitamin A, like eggs, carrots, milk, yogurt, and nuts. Fix 4. Stop overcombing by combing repeatedly. You're slowly destroying your hair's natural texture. Fine hair is already delicate. It doesn't need to be perfectly set. It just needs some space. Frequent combing flattens the roots and breaks the natural wave pattern, making the hair look even thinner. Use your fingers instead of a comb. Whether you want to lift it up, create a part, or give it shape, do it all with your fingers. Use a comb only once, and only when the hair is clean and completely. Conditioner nourishes your hair? The truth is it's choking it. Most conditioners are made for dry and thick hair, not fine hair. They coat every strand with silicone and oil. It feels smooth on the outside, but inside, the hair becomes heavy and lifeless. Understand the simple truth. The more you try to moisturize, the more volume you lose. Instead, use a volumizing conditioner or a lightweight spray, and never apply it near the scalp. Keep the roots clean and only apply it to the ends. This balance gives the hair a natural bounce. If your hair still feels thin, the reason might be your barber. High volume requires textured hair. For that, watch my other video where I explain how to train your barber. Bye.